90% of coaches fail because they are missing this one system. The one system that separates six figure coaches from struggling ones. What if I told you the difference between a struggling coach making 50,000 a month and a six figure coach isn't talent, experience, or even marketing skills? It's having the right system. Ramesh was stuck at $1K months for 2 years. Alina was ready to quit coaching. Maya couldn't even price her services. But once they discovered the Dreamnaire OS system that I'm about to show you, everything changed for them. Ramesh, he hit $10K mark. Alina scaled to 500 plus clients. Maya now has a huge waiting list. Can you imagine? So what happened with this Dreamnaire OS? Let me tell you. The Dreamnaire OS isn't just another framework. It's a complete operating system with five specific pillars that work together like a clockwork. You don't want to miss single pillar because if you miss one, you lose it. And I'm going to break down each pillar in this series, starting with pillar one today, the one that changes everything. But here's the thing, if you mess up pillar one, the other four won't matter. This is why most coaches stay stuck. Pillar one is dharma discovery or the purpose. This isn't just finding your niche, it's discovering your unique coaching DNA. It's not just about finding your purpose, going deep into that. Most coaches think I'm good at sales, so I'll be a sales coach. That's why they sound like everyone else. Instead, ask these four questions. What transformation do you create effortlessly? What problem keeps you awake because you must solve it? What approach comes naturally to you that others struggle with? What impact do you want on the world? These four questions will change the way you think about your coaching niche. Now, Maya went from HR consultant to becoming the leadership transformation architect for mid level managers. Her income tripled in 6 months because she wasn't just another consultant, she was the solution for a specific problem. Before, her messaging was I help businesses with HR stuff. After this, DreamnaireOS, her messaging changed. I transform burned out managers into inspiring leaders using my proprietary lead methodology. See the difference? That's the power of thermal discovery. But here's where most coaches mess up. They discover their dharma and then they wing it. They leave it. They don't architect their business around it. That's why in the next video, I'm revealing pillar 2, clarity architecture, and the exact 9 element canvas that turns your dharma into a bulletproof business blueprint. I'll show you exactly how Ria used this canvas to go from struggling financial advisor to $90K financial psychologist expert and why its specific approach made all the difference. But right now, I want to give you the complete Dharma Discovery Toolkit for free. It includes the 4-question framework, real examples, and my personal worksheet that has helped hundreds find their coaching sweet spot. You want it, right? Now, I want you to drop Dharma in the comments below and I'll send it to you directly. DHARMA. Do it now before you forget because you have habit of forgetting. I don't want you to do that. Do it right away. And make sure you are subscribed with notifications on because in Wednesday video, I'm breaking down pillar 2 and revealing the biggest mistake coaches make when pricing their services. It's not what you think. Hit that subscribe button if you want to build a coaching business that creates both wealth and meaning. See you on Wednesday.